Welcome to Protect Nature. Today, we embark on a gripping and emotional journey through the most terrifying natural disasters humanity has ever witnessed. From violent earthquakes that split the earth wide open to massive tsunamis that swallow entire cities in the blink of an eye, these harrowing moments not only send chills down our spines, but also serve as a stark reminder of nature's immense power and unpredictable fury. Join us as we explore 60 of the most frightening moments, reminding us of the fragility of life and the critical importance of protecting our planet from the unforeseeable wrath of Mother Nature. This intense journey begins now. Are you ready? The fierce tsunami swept away houses and vehicles. Hundreds of cars were swept away by them. Floodwaters from upstream a devastating small town. The giant tornado was blowing up a lot of dirt. A very strong earthquake occurred in Taiwan. Very dangerous. Oh my God! The flash flood flattened the city. Everything was swept away by the tsunami. The floodwater has flooded the restaurant. It's terrible. The hailstorm was destroying the surrounding landscape. The little tree is withstanding the force of the storm. Lightning struck the treetops one after another. It was really terrifying. People's fishing boats were all buried under the tsunami. The storm was so strong that it swept through the small village. The flood is sweeping through the low-lying plateau, causing landslides. The floodwaters eroded the road and swept the car into the river. They almost want to swallow everything they come across. Heavy rain and flood destroyed many years-old house. The small house could not withstand the force of the flood. The small bridge could not withstand the force of the flood. The storm came with heavy rain, making it difficult to move around. The tsunami was so fierce that it seemed like everything was being submerged by it. The flood suddenly came. The birds flew in chaos. A lot of furniture was swept away by the flood. A hydroelectric dam is releasing floodwaters, carrying millions of cubic meters of water. The floodwaters were blocked by the ambulance. The floodwaters left the town in ruins. The waves were so fierce, they almost wanted to swallow everything. Too terrible, the bridge became more fragile than ever before the floodwater. A storm with very strong winds is sweeping through the city. Machines are clearing the flow as floods hit the city. The house could not withstand the force of the flash flood. The black floodwaters engulfed everything. Oh my God, the bridge has collapsed. So unfortunate for those who have not yet run. The huge black tornado was sucking everything into it. The hail caused extensive damage to the cars. The floodwaters swept away the bridge, along with a lot of rubbish. Too dangerous for people standing near landslide areas. The flood is coming in droves. It's beyond imagination. Solid houses and cars worth hundreds of millions were all swept away by the devastating flood. A dust storm is blowing through the farm. The winds are very strong. The floodwater swept many trees downstream. The muddy flood came too quickly. The storm came with terrible winds. Poor little trees. The tornado was blowing everything into the air. Its power was so great. It's a pity that the house and its owner were swept away by the flood. The floodwater came too fast. It was dangerous for vehicles. The helicopter rescued a lucky person in the flood. Let's explore the power of nature with Protect Nature. These breathtaking moments not only overwhelm us, but also serve as a wake-up call, reminding us of our great responsibility to protect the environment and be prepared for any emergency. If you feel the urgency of this message, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue accompanying us on our journey to discover the mysteries and dangerous challenges of the planet. We cannot stand aside. Protecting the Earth is protecting our only home. See you again in the next magical adventure with Protect Nature.